1,000cc riders, line up your bikes at the inspection area. So you can adjust your tire pressures. The Motostrada first anniversary celebration is brought to you by Liquid Moly, Alpine Stars. Afterwards, we'll make way for the boys, maybe girls as well, on the MV Augustas. Get ready for that. Your Park International Speedway. Be mindful of the 40 kph speed limit. Somebody has decided to bring that weapon. 800cc up to 1,000cc. Now this is a perfect spot for you guys to have your social media feed really, really busy with some of your favorite sounds and sights. Brought to you by Motostrada and their friends. Please remind the kids to not do that, especially when the bikes start riding on the long straights. For your safety, please avoid standing on the pit wall. Yung nakatayo po sa pit wall, may kasamang bata. Thank you po.